tried to describe a room to someone, what would you say? You say, well, a room's got walls, and maybe a door, and a window, and a floor, maybe some furniture. You see, a cell is a lot like a room. Instead of walls, plant cells have cell walls. Animal cells have cell membranes. That's from an old word that means thin skin. Same idea.
Thank you.
Now, in a room, you might find a table with some papers where you do your homework. In a cell, you might find a nucleus that controls the cell, does the cell's paperwork. In a room, you might find a fireplace, which provides heat, keeps it warm, energy. In a cell, you might find mitochondria, which power the cell. Same idea. See, there's all different kinds of rooms in a house. You know, there's a bathroom, a living room, a dining room, a library, a rec room, a basement. Well, in you and me, you might find bone cells, muscle cells, brain cells, skin cells, all different kinds of cells that do different jobs. But they're all cells. And they move, eat, drink, reproduce. They're alive. And it's a good thing, too, because if they weren't, we wouldn't be either. Well, thank you for joining me on Consider the Following.
Today's the day we're gonna learn about the cell. If I teach it okay, you'll know it very well. So listen up, 6th graders, no room left for haters. Let's talk about the building blocks of life, cells that make us.
Cells, they're made of organelles. Try to pull...
Okay, so what are we doing?
It's going. Hi. Hello. I'm Kate. I'm Anna.
I'm Landon.
And we're going to talk to you today about...
Girls.
No. That's wrong. We are going to talk to you today about the cell. Yes. And its structure. So, alrighty.
Yeah.
Here it goes. Here we go.
Cells, they're made of organelles. Try to pull a fast when the cytoplasm gels. The nucleus takes...
Chloroplasts. The chloroplasts specialize in photosynthesis and are only found in the plant cells.
The nucleus takes over, controlling everything. The party don't stop till the membrane box is seen. Inside the vacuole.
The roughly are modified proteins made by ribosomes attached to it.
The smooth yard makes lipids. It breaks down carbohydrates and fats, and it activates toxins.
The cell wall. The cell wall's main functions are structural support and protection, and it's only found in plant cells.
We can float around for hours, running around with chloroplasts, loving sunlight showers.
The lysosomes digest and recycle materials.
Cells, they're made of organelles.
Go.
Mitochondria. The mitochondrion is an energy powerhouse. Produces many ATP by aerobic respiration.
The nucleus keeps DNA separated from cytoplasm. It also makes ribosomes subunits, and it controls access to DNA.
First things first, there's 2 different types, animal and plant cells.
The ribosomes are attached to the rough ER and free in the cytoplasm. They are sites of protein synthesis.
Animal and plant cells that make up all life, the little things that make up microscopic cells.
Central vacuole. The central vacuole increases cell surface area and stores metabolic waste.
Main structures, yeah, we call them organelles. Now let's break it down and get some information.
Go.
The Golgi bodies finish, sort, and ship lipids, enzymes, and proteins.
How do cells work? It's a crazy combination.
Cells, they're made of organelles.
Well, hello there, I'm Tyler Mikowski. I'm going to tell you about the cytoskeleton. It supports the cell and it moves all of its components. Have a nice day.
Made of organelles. Try to pull it fast when the cytoplasm gels. The nucleus takes over, controlling everything. The party don't stop till the membrane box is seen. Inside the vacuole, we can float around for hours, running around with chloroplasts, loving sunlight showers. Cells, they're made of organelles.
The cell membrane is a border patrol. Who can cross over? The membrane lets them know. The gooey stuff inside is called the cytoplasm. It holds the organelles. Don't worry, plasm has them. In the middle of the cell you find the big brain. The nucleus surrounds